What's up, world? Always Adventure Homestead, Nightingale ice cream. This is a key lime pie, golden crushed brown sugar cookie, and key lime ice cream. Old tree bubble. All right, Nightingale. They're out of Richmond, Virginia. I think they just got into all the Krogers, Publix,
Harris Tweeters.
but these are awesome. Really big. We've not tried this one, so this is a new one
It's
to
on
try.
the list to try every single flavor.
Yep. Smells good. We've had it in the fridge for a little bit, freezer.
I just want a small piece, maybe even just a bite. I'm not sure if I'll like it. I am picky and only like certain flavors, but willing to try everything at least once. And yes, I do know some people, or most people, cook everything differently, but
It's a big one.
there's that tanginess. The cookie part is good, but it's just the tanginess in the ice cream.
Yeah. Yeah. It's really good. They have a bunch of flavors. I forgot what my favorite now.
My number one favorite is the Cookie Monster. My second favorite is the Chocolate Blackout. But if y'all go check out their website, you can order a box. I believe it's like $100 or less. But you can pick 10 different flavors. They come in the full-size bars, not the little half-size that comes in the packet. When you go to the store, you get 4 little half-size pieces. So this in half, 2 full bars, technically, however you want to say it.
Yep, not my favorite, but I'd eat it again for sure. They're all amazing. They all are.
We're definitely going to be trying every single one.
They're very good.
Right? Isn't that right, Bubba? Isn't that right? He's like, I want a bite. He can't
Y'all
have
stick
a
with
bite.
us. We'll talk to y'all soon. Thank you.